Watch me as I take off. I'll be working until I have all of my days off. Then I'm surfing in California when I'm paid off. I'll be blurring my vision, sipping on that bass sauce. La da da, watch out, I'm coming, yeah. I know, I'm a hustler, I go. Got me running, got me gunning for thrones. I won't go back, no pass, blow past so fast. I'm gone, grow fast, big splash, all cash, like watch me as I take off. I'll be working until I have all of my days off. Then I'm surfing in California when I'm paid off. I'll be blurring my vision, sipping on that bass sauce. La da da.
Hey, what's up? Dito na kami sa border ng Oman. Ito, UAE. Pagtawid mo doon, Oman na. Pero i-check pa naman lahat ng documents. Mag-CR muna kami. Yan. Nag-bus lang kami. And napakita ko naman sa simula kung ano yung sinakyan namin, yung mga dinaanan. Hindi na kasi masyado makita sa camera, pero ang ganda ng scenery dito. Yung mga ano, parang basta parang drawing na naman talaga siya. Ang ganda. Hindi ako nakapag-video doon kanina sa may border kasi pinagbawal. Pero ngayon naglalakad na kami. Ayun yung bus namin. And naglalakad kami ngayon papunta sa boat, papunta dun sa may Musandam. So medyo mainit. Itong lugar na to parang dine-develop pa lang siya, no? Enet. Ito na yung pinaka boat. Yan. Dito na rin yata kami kakain. So, lupit to. Angas. Ito, paano to? Grabe oh.
Lumango yan.
Ay, kala ko yung malaki. Ito pala. Yan, dito na kami sa boat.
Saan tayo? Dito na tayo. Here? Bakit nang gumawa ng hagdan? Here?
Here?
Here pala.
Ah, sit here. This boat. Everyone sit. Oy, balance nyo ah. I-balance nyo. Ang dami namin oh.
Ita-transfer niya tayo sa gitna. Hindi siguro kaya no. Init?
How many? Why there is someone standing?
Ay! It's gonna be
It's delicate.
It's dangerous na lang. Ay, ang gasolina.
Letting them to stand like that.
Drop there.
Ah, it's right.
May video mo nga ako.
Slowly. Just carry here. How can swim?
Ang lapit lang pala no. So it's a 1 minute ride. Lipat kami dun sa mas malaki. Kakatakot. Alog-alog yung ano. Kabay. Ang baho.
Uy, gusto kong binagoongan.
Ligalig ng bata oh. Yan.
Ay, may pagkain. Nagluluto sila. Siguro seafood.
Ano kayo ulam natin mamaya?
Ay, ayun natanong natin sa video niya. Anong ulam niya?
Sana masarap ulam nyo.
Sana masarap ulam niya.
May silong pa dyan sa Tasmi.
Ay, meron naman.
Tayong tayo.
Makaulitin tayo.
Kapuno na dito. Dapat
Sa baba na lang tayo.
Oo, mas ano ba?
Baba na lang?
Oo.
Ano nila? We can be there.
Eto, yung itsura dito. Sa likod. Napakaganda ng tubig guys. As in, sobrang ganda. Para siyang ano. Basta sobrang linis. Ang ganda, sobrang ganda. Akit tayo dito. Tingnan natin kung anong meron dito. Pakita ko pala sa inyo kung anong meron dito. Ayan. Ayun yung driver. Tumatras na kami. Hinihila kami neto. Yan, hinihila kami para makatras. Tawag tayo dito kasi baka snap point dito, mapitikan tayo. Ito mga kino-construct pa lang nila. Malapit lang to sa border itong port na to. Ayan, may mga mainit na tubig, may prutas. Wala tayong saging. Nakasama namin Mami, Tita Donna, Tita Joby, Tita G, saka yung friend ng Tita G, Tita Karen syempre. Ayan. Binabangga-bangga.
Let's go!
Let's go! Arats na!
Let's go!
Hi!
Then we can start our water activity.
So, late ako nag-on ng camera. Sabi niya 45 minutes
For
daw.
water activity, we have 2 restroom facilities available in this boat. You can change your dress for the running time. Then once we reach in our water activity area, we can start our water activity.
So, may mga water activity tayo mamaya.
Water, juice, fruits, everything is available here. Upstairs guests, please come and take whatever you want. Myself, Roji, I will be here in this boat as a coordinator. If you need any help, any assist, our team is ready. So wish you a great day. Have a nice time.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less. You check as I'm chest, what's happening next? Yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson. He got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I leave an impression and take your redemption. Just kill no discretion. Your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions and the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off, I'ma break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft, you can change lives, you create thoughts, never waste time. You got one shot, you got one life, better pop off. What do you like? Make a dream job. No 9-5, no mean boss, just my life and free thoughts. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Bloody hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they see me. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try to change, you can say no, free me.